Hello everyone, my name is Prajakta Kamble. In this video, I am going to present performance appraisal as my presentation topic for human resource management. So let's start the video. Start with the definition. What is the performance appraisal? According to Filippo, a prominent personality in the field of human resources, performance appraisal is the systematic, periodic, and impartial rating of an employee's excellence in the matters pertaining to his present job and his potential for a better job. Next is purposes of performance appraisal. First one is to review the performance of an employee, to judge the gap between the actual and the desired performance, to help the management in exercising organizational control, to diagnose the training and development needs of the future. Next is provide information to assist in the HR decisions like promotions, transfer, etc. Provide clarity of expectations and responsibilities of the functions to be performed by the employees. Next is to judge the effectiveness of the other human resource functions, to reduce the grievances of employees, and helps to strengthen the relationship and communication between superior, subordinates, and management employees. Then next is objectives of performance appraisal. First is work related objective. In this, to provide a control for work done, to improve efficiency, to help in assigning work and plan future work assignment, and to carry out job evaluation. Next is career development objectives. Career development objectives are for to identify strong and weak points and encourage finding remedies for weak points through training, to determine career potential, to plan developmental, either promotional or lateral assignments, and to plan career goals. Next one is objectives of communication. Objectives of communication for to provide adequate feedback on performance, to clearly establish goals, that is what is expected of the staff members in terms of performance and future work assignments, to provide counseling and job satisfaction through open discussion on performance, and to let employees assess where they stand within the organization in terms of their performances. Next is administrative objective. It is for to serve as basis for promotion or demotion, to serve as basis for allocating incentives, to serve as a basis for determining transfers, and to serve as a basis for termination in case of reduction of staff. Then, when are performance evaluation supposed to happen and how? In this diagram, step by step guide to performance is given. First step is establishing performance standard. Next is communicating the standards. Next is measuring the actual performance. Next is comparing the actual with the desired performance. Next is discussion result, that is providing feedback. And last one is decision making, that is the taking corrective actions. Then performance appraisal methods. There are two methods of performance appraisal: traditional methods and modern methods. Traditional methods include ranking method, comparison, grading method, forced distribution method, checklist method, and essay method. Modern method includes management by objective, that is MBO, 360-degree appraisal, cost accounting method, assessment centers, and behaviorally on board rating scales. Then benefits of performance appraisal. First is benefit for the individual. What are the benefits for individual? Gaining a better understanding of their role, understanding more clearly how and where they fit in within the wider picture, a better understanding of how performance is assessed and monitored, improving understanding of their standards, strengths and weaknesses, and development needs. Identify ways in which they can improve performance, providing an opportunity to discuss and clarify developmental and training needs. Understanding and agreeing their objectives for the next year. An opportunity to discuss career direction and prospects. Next benefits is to the line or to manager or supervisor or team lead. Opportunities to hear and exchange views and opinions away from the normal pressure of work. To identify any potential difficulties or weaknesses and improved understanding of and resources available. To plan for and set objectives for the next period. To think about and clarity their own role. To plan for achieving improved performance. To plan for further delegation and coaching to motivate members of the team. Then benefits to the organization. What is the benefits to the organization of performance appraisal? A structured means of identifying and assessing potential, up to date, and information regarding the expectations and aspirations of the employees. Information on which to base decisions about promotions and motivations. An opportunity to review succession planning. Information about training needs which connect as a basis for developing training plans. Updating of employees records, that is achievements, new competencies, etc. Career counseling and communication of information. So this is all about a performance appraisal. Thank you.